everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda, and today I've got two parcels from Expression Fibre Arts, and I've also got my sock club from Beehive Yarns. So shall we get into it? But before I get into it, I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining me. And to all my long-standing subscribers, hello and welcome. And I hope you are all well. If you are new here, please think about hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will get notification every time I upload a video. I'm on Instagram, on Facebook, and I have a blog where hopefully in the new year I'll start and blog more. And yeah, so all my social media are in my about page, and if you've got any questions for me and that, my email address is lasimpson60@gmail.com. So nice to see you all here today. So let's get into it. I love Expression Fibre Arts yarn, and they had a bit of a sale on a few weeks ago. I would say last month, because this is going out in November. So it takes a while to get to the UK, guys. So that's one parcel. Sorry about the crinkle. So look at that. I'm trying a new video, recording my videos layout. So let me know what you think. I think it's a bit brighter. It looks a bit brighter, and I bought myself a new table to do my tutorials on, guys, because that's what I aim to do next year, is make lots more videos. So okay, so what have we got here? We have got a positive twist on yarn, and this is called Sea Breeze Resilient Socks, 100% superwash merino wool, 366 meters, 400 yards, and it's hand or machine wash, lay flat to dry. So as you can see, it is the blue Sea Breeze, reminds me of the sea. This is called, it's exactly the same. This is called Baby Blue Eyes, and I do have blue eyes, so as my sunflower Ashley always says. So I've got that one. And then this one is called Choppy Waters, and I got this, guys, because it's all about the sea. And with my dad being a marine, and he was always at sea and whatever, so I just thought I will make myself something from that. I'm not sure whether I will put all three together. I'm not sure yet, guys. So I've got 1,200 yards, so that will make something. And Ursula, maybe even a granny square blanket. Never say never, she says. Very true. And you always get a lovely I use these as bookmarks, guys. Gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow, by Melody Beatty. So that's nice, isn't it, guys? So there's that one. So let's get into the other bag. I'm really sorry, guys, about the crinkle. I should have opened them really, but I don't like to do that, because then I forget to look at the camera, Linda. I forget to oh, it's wobbling. Stop it, Linda. So I can't remember. Do you know, I like this one too. So this one is, I've got left-handed scissors, guys, because obviously you all know I'm left-handed and I can't flip and use them very well. So what have I got here? Ooh, these are nice. Oh, and I got the same bookmark, so I've got two of them now. So this is, oopsie, Wind Chill Sincere Sock. So this is definitely sock yarn, guys. So this is, let me see, this is called Wind Chill, and it's 75% merino, superwash merino, 25% nylon, and it's a 400 millimeters, 437 yards, a US 2, which is a hook B or E, and the same washing instructions as before. This is called Mystique. Look at all this, really reminds me of autumn, guys. Nice autumn socks, and it's quite soft as well. Can I wear it? Yeah, it doesn't itch me. If it itches me neck, I can't wear it. But no, that is nice and soft. Isn't that odd? This reminds me of all them trees in Canada. You know, all the maple trees, then the leaves change in colour. And this has got kind of like a duck egg blue and browns. Blue and brown, guys, are my favourite. So that's Wind Chill. That one's Mystique. And this is Alchemist. And this is these two are the these three are the Sincere Sock. And exactly the same. But can you see it's got tones of burgundy, and there's some rust in there. You can see the rust. So yeah, so that is what I got from Expression Fibre Arts. So what do you think, guys? These definitely highlight my eyes, don't they? Definitely highlight the eyes. So the next parcel that I want to share with you, really big into socks, loving them, and going to, so I got this little parcel and it says thank you on it. Isn't that lovely? And this is from a UK dyer called Beehive Yarns here in the UK. So I just need to cut it, and I like the little box it's come in. It's wonderful. So let's see what sock yarn I've got. I've decided to do I did do a sock yarn club, but it was in the US, and it was kind of £25 for the yarn, but then I had to pay £25 postage, which is £50, which is, I could have paid for two lots of oh, look how it's presented. So I'm almost frightened to open it. Spoil the tissue paper. Oh, look! Right up my street, guys. Enchanted Yarn Club. And I got, oh, look, Ursula, Robius tea. And I ordered these separately. These are honeycomb. Look at the bee charm. But these are place markers, but they're in the shape of a honeycomb. Can you see? In the shape of a honeycomb. And I got some of them. Can never have too many markers. So there's them, and then let's see what we've got in the yarn, shall we? So thank you for joining Beehive Yarns Enchanted Yarn Club. Please tag at Beehive Yarns on Instagram, or use hashtag Enchanted to share your makes. Isn't that lovely? And then Audrey Classic Sock. They're 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 200 grams, 85 meters, which is about 100 yards. So these are, look at them. They will make, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to roll them into 10 grams. So they're 20 grams each, so I need to roll them into 2 to 10 grams of each, so the socks will look exactly the same. But aren't they lovely? Well, not exactly the same, but do you understand what I'm saying? They'll be super duper. So yeah, so that is my enchanted yarns. Let me see if I can just hold them out. What do you think, guys? Do you like them? Do you like the autumnal colours? I do. And there's purples in there as well. She knows me so well, guys. Purples. They're going to make some really nice. Or what I could do is I could have a solid and use these for the heel, cuff and toe. That's an idea. If I get a colour, say I've got a burgundy here, or a rusty colour, if I go get a plain, a solid, not plain, a solid, then they are fabulous. So I will keep them in that box, guys. So that's it from me for today. Just short and sweet, but I just wanted to share with you my Expression Fibre Arts yarn. I do like this one. This one keeps catching my eye, guys. We will see. We will see. Who knows what they're going to be made into. A couple might be made into socks for Rick. But I really like this one. This one really, I'm really drawn to this one, guys. I don't know why. I just, maybe because it's baby blue eyes. Oh dear. Anyway, guys, that's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now, guys.